Hi, I'm Wade from Thoroughbred Diesel. Today we're going to be showing you the Jetfire Stage 1 Turbo from KC Turbos. KC's bread and butter turbo lineup is for the 6.0 Powerstrokes. Now, this is the Jetfire Stage 1 Turbo, and it's one of the most popular turbos of KC's that we sell. So we're going to talk to you just a little bit about what the Stage 1 Jetfire is. So the Jetfire lineup of turbos has KC's proprietary compressor cover on it. It's got the milled inlet right here, and it's a really, really good looking cover. It's got the KC lettering right here on the turbo, so when you pop your hood, they know you're rocking a KC charger. Now, on the Jetfire series, they use a brand new Garrett 6.0 turbocharger that they build this turbo off of. Now, for you 03 guys, this turbo is actually built on an 04 to 07 turbo, brand new Garrett turbo. For the 03s, what they do is they mill down the 04 to 07 mounting location on the turbine housing so it fits inside of that 03 cradle, so you guys don't have to worry about that. So when you get this charger and you notice that on the turbine, that's what that is for you 03 guys. All right, so the Jetfire Stage 1 is the perfect drop-in turbo for you guys that tow heavy, that are looking to push every ounce of fuel out of your stock injectors, and you just don't want the turbo lag that you get with some of the drop-in turbochargers that we see out there today. And that's kind of what you really fall into when you're looking at a performance drop-in turbo. One of the things that you never think that you're going to get out of that is turbo lag, but you do in so many different applications. The Stage 1 is not going to give you that. The Stage 1 turbo has the 61mm compressor wheel on it, billet compressor wheel, and it also has a 73mm turbine wheel. Now on the turbine wheels with the 6.0 chargers that you get from KC, you can either get it in the 10 blade offering, which is where you're going to get that big time 03 whistle sound that comes from the 10 blade, or you can get the 13 blade turbine wheel and not have that louder turbine whistle that you get from the 10 blade. But you guys that call in and talk to us all the time about, hey man, I want that 03 whistle, 10 blade is always going to be what you want in the KC offerings, and the Jetfire series is the same as well. So talk about injectors that pair up with this and that pair up with this turbo really well. You guys that are going to make that step on the 6.0s, you're not just going to do the drop-in charger. You want to do performance injectors. This one's going to stretch out a stock injector. 155 pairs really 155 with a stock nozzle on it pairs really well with this charger. Is just going to give you an awesome driving experience. Maximum charge or maximum injector size that you're going to want to push through this turbo is probably a 175/30. That's not going to clean up very well on the top end for you. You're going to want to probably watch EGTs with it as well. But you know, it is a possibility with the charger, just as long as you know what you're going to be up against on the top end of that. But the 155s in stock pair really well with this. You know, out of the box tuning does good with this charger as well. If you do custom tuning, let them know what you've got, and your tuner can get you dialed in perfectly for this charger. So again, this is a towing turbo. I just can't say that enough. When you're towing, what do you want? I want boost. I want boost before I even have the damn truck running. That's what you're going to get with the Stage 1. You're going to get instant boost down low. You're going to be able to get the trailer moving. You're going to be able to get up the hills, and it's just going to work just seamlessly for you. So if you're ready to make that step on your 6.0 Powerstroke, you want a performance turbocharge, and you want it to be 100% drop-in, we definitely suggest that you check out the Jetfire lineup with KC. Stage 1 is going to pair perfectly with you. Brand new Garrett turbo that this is built off of. Brand new VGT solenoid. This is 100% drop in, and this is going to be an absolute towing monster for you. You're going to love it. So if you have any questions about KC turbos, just give us a call, and thank you for watching.